Good day, grade 10. This is your chapter 1 revision for day 4, worksheet 4. So you had to go through the notes on page 6 and then do the worksheet 4. So this is about factorization. Let's go. The question is, factorize the following completely. Number 1, x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So this is a quadratic trinomial, so we are going to factorize it like this. This last sign says the signs are going to be the same in the brackets, and they both are going to be positive, so it's going to be bracket plus, bracket plus. Then I need to find the factors of the coefficients of the first term and of the last term. So I find the coefficient of the first term is 1, the factors of 1 is just 1 and 1. And the coefficient of y squared is also 1, so it's just going to be x plus y, x plus y. I can also write this as x plus y squared because the brackets are the same, x plus y squared. Number 2, x squared minus 10x plus 24. This is also a trinomial. So this sign, last sign, says that the brackets are going to have the same sign. Which sign? A negative. So it's going to be bracket negative, bracket negative. Right. Now I need to find the factors of 24. Factors of 24 that I can add to get 10. So here's how it works. I get the factors of 24 that I can add to get 10. So it's going to be, let's write out the factors of 24. 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 4 times 6. Which of those can I add to get 10? It must be 4 and 6. So it's going to be x minus 4, x minus 6. Then number 3. 6x plus 40 minus x squared. These are in the wrong order. We have to write it in ascending or descending powers of x. So I need to rearrange them. I'm going to write them with the constant first, then the x, and then the x squared. So it's going to be 40 plus 6x minus x squared. The reason that I wrote it in this order is because of this negative in front of the x squared. I don't want that negative in the front, so I rather took it to the back. So I first had the constant, then the x squared. Okay, now this last sign says the brackets are going to have different signs, and the bigger one will have the positive. So it's going to be 2 brackets, and now I need to find the factors of 40. Okay, so it's 1 times 40, 2 times 20, 4 times 10. Which of those am I going to use? So I have to ask myself, which of those factors can I subtract to get 6? Which of those factors can I subtract to get 6? Well, it's going to be 4 and 10. So it's 4 in the one bracket and 10 in the other bracket, and an x and an x. To test our answer, we can just do the FOIL rule and see if we get back to that answer, and we do. So that's correct. Then number 4, 9 minus, and in brackets, x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Now I see something. Aha, that bracket is the same as number 1. So I don't need to factorize that bracket again. It's the same as number 1. So at number 1 I got x plus y, or x plus y squared. Oh, that bracket's in the wrong place. Let me just rub that out. Y squared. Now this is difference between two squares. So I'm going to use block brackets one with a negative and one with a positive, and get the square root of each term. So it's 9 square root is 3, and that bracket square root is x plus y. So it's 3 minus x plus y, 3 plus x plus y. Then I simplify it to get rid of some brackets. So it's 3 minus x minus y and 3 plus x plus y. Okay, number 5. 5y squared minus 13y minus 28. This is a trinomial, but a little bit trickier one than the first ones that we had. For this one, I'm going to use the cross method. So first I'm going to make 2 brackets. This sign says that the signs are going to be different, and the bigger one will get the negative sign. So it's going to be different signs, a minus and a plus. Now, on the left side, I write the factors of 5, because that's the first term. The factors of 5 is 1 times 5. On the right side, I'm going to write the factors of 28. I used 4 and 7. Maybe you tried something else first, but that's the ones that are going to work. How does it work? I cross multiply like this. 5 times 4 is 20. 1 times 7 is 7. Then I have to ask myself, can I subtract those 2 things, 20 and 7, to get 13? Yes, I can. 20 minus 7 is 13. Can I subtract those answers to get 13? Yes. So these will be my 2 brackets. Now the bigger one has to get the negative sign, because the middle term decides which sign the bigger one gets. The bigger answer is 20. So the top bracket will get the negative and the bottom bracket will get the positive. So it's going to be y minus 4 and 5y plus 7. That's it for today. Please remember, if you have any questions, your teacher's email address is on the website.